What's up, Tro fam? DJ from TROmedia here, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make lower thirds and overlay graphics on your phone, all right, that look just like these that I have here on the screen. All right, it's not hard to do, and you can do it all from your phone. Now, I'm going to let you guys know you are going to need a video editor, and this is not the video to learn about how to get video editors, but you can download Adobe Premiere Rush, which may be a paid app. I get it through my Adobe Creative Cloud, or you can use DU Recorder, which is actually how I record my screen right now. And they have a video editor in there, which is free, but it does freeze sometimes. All right, so look out for that and save a lot when you're using that app. Okay, now once you get those out the way, you're going to need to get PixelLab from the Google Play Store or any other app store. All right, and you're going to be able to make graphics that look just like these. Okay, now let's hop into the graphic editor. Okay, now that you're in PixelLab, all right, I've made a few videos on it before. You can watch them. I might have it in the card information down below. But get PixelLab from the App Store or Google Play Store, and it's going to open up just like this. Now what you want to do is you want to go up here to the settings and then go to image size. And I'm going to choose the Twitter head size because I need it to be a narrow resolution. You can make whatever resolution you want it to be, but this is a 3:1 aspect ratio. See how it's nice and narrow? Okay. So what you want to do from here is you want to add your object that points to your text to help people with their, grab their attention. Or you can add your logo and have it on the left side. But for this purpose, I'm going to do a shape. So go over here to the shape button at the bottom, press shapes. It's going to make it a square first, but you can choose the drop down arrow, choose that. Okay. And then you can make it a little narrower like this. And then you can move it over to the edge. I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay. Press the check button. And then you can go over here to the relative position and then center it to the middle over there on the left side. Okay, now you can click off of that. And now this is basically it. This is how I made the blank template for a lower third. You can stop the video here if you want, and you can add your own text in your video editor, or now you can keep watching and I'll show you how I added my information, like to smash that like button and leave a comment down below, which you should be doing. I do appreciate it when you guys do that. And also the name information, all right? So you just add the text here on top of the graphic. And then you press the edit button and you can edit your text. You can add your name in here, DJ Carmen, all right. And then I can center this using my relative position button. Boom. And that could be it. DJ Carmen will pop up on the video. You can also click on it, copy it, go down below and add your information there. All right. I'll just put TROmedia. And that can be down here below. Make it a little smaller. You always want your information to be a little smaller than the actual name so that people know, okay, this is the person, this is who they, represent. I could have creator next to TROmedia, but since I don't, I just moved it over to the right for design purposes, all right? And then you can save this right here. Go up to the save button, press save as project or save as image. I recommend you save as a project first, then as an image, just so you can always never lose what you have done. The most that you can do from now, you can just, go over here to color, gradient color or solid colors. I like the gradient colors, okay? Because with gradient colors, you can choose one. And then you can accept that, or you can press the plus button and mess around with the paint bucket there that you see. I'll show you guys. You can click on each color, and then, as you need it, click on one color first, and then you can press this paint bucket, click on the paint bucket, and now you can mess with the transparency of the color. You can also mess with the color that you're on, okay? And then you can mess with the saturation of it. But I'm not going to do that because I'm just going to use a normal one. But that's how I made that DJ Tro or that DJ Carmen graphic that I had on my profile picture earlier. Okay. But I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this one right here. And I'll show you guys how. Well, actually, you get the point. You can make your subscribe button or your smash that like button by pressing the styles button over here, browse, sample, and then you can type in with the edit button. You can type in the smash that like button. It should already be centered, but you can just stretch this out so that it's the way we want it to be. Make it a little smaller. And here's a little trick for you guys. Press the layers button at the top, and then you can get rid of the TROmedia button by either getting rid of the eyeball like that, or you can go ahead and just delete it the way I just did. Okay, and that's it. You just save this just like the other one. Save it as a project. If you want it to be a different project, and then save the image, and then move over to the video editor, which we're going to do right now, you guys. All right. So once you're in the video editor, you basically just want to import those images on top by just pressing the plus button in whatever video editor you're using, where you can add media, and then choose your media, and then it'll pop in. All right, it's going to actually add next to the screen, probably like this. It'll be the wrong size because the video that you're using will probably be vertical or horizontal and a different size from how we actually created the lower third, which is fine because you can transform it. All right, any editor, no matter if it's paid or free, should have a split button, a move button, and a trim button. Hopefully it has a transform button, which is the button that we're going to be using right here, so that you can actually transform the scale and the position of it. All right, so I have all the graphics in here, and I'm going to show you how you can also add your own text on top of that blank one. Which is actually what I did on this. Okay, so let's use this DJ Carmen one here. Press the transform button that you have, go over to your scale it down. All right, it's going to take over the vertical video. Use the positioning button here and bring it down a little like this. Okay, and then all you have to do now is just zoom in like this so you can actually click on that and just move it over on top of your video, and boom, that's it. It's on top. If you want, you can move it down to a position where the person is actually on screen so that it makes sense. DJ Carmen, creator of TROmedia and Vibe Out Tro, which you should all go and like, comment, and subscribe down below, but also follow me and subscribe on my Vibe Out Tro YouTube page if you like. I have music, entertainment, and other fun videos that are going to be going over there. Okay, we're expanding, you guys. All right, so that's basically it. Now with this other one over here, I'm going to trash that. Okay, so look, this is the blank one. Remember the blank lower third? So that you don't have to always go into your graphic designer, you can just do it in the video editor. You have the lower graphic, which you add to the screen, and then you can just add your graphics by going to plus, graphics, and then choosing the graphic that you want. I'm going to choose this basic one, and then I'm going to move it over so that it lines up with the lower graphic down below. Move it over. All right, click back on the graphic, and then now you can mess with this positioning by going over to the transition or transform tool, and then just moving the position down. And then you can edit your text, and that's it. That's all you have to do, you guys. It's actually very really easy and simple. You just create the graphic first, add it into your video editor. You can use free editing software or paid software. I use both, okay? So I'm using a paid video editor, and then I use a free graphic designer when I'm doing stuff on my phone. Or I used to just use DU Recorder. That's how I was making my new videos that I've been coming out with here. I was using that first, and then I realized I can use Premiere Rush. It's actually a really good editor. It feels like I'm on a computer, even though I'm on my phone. So you guys make the decision. Leave a comment, smash that like button, and follow the channel, okay? Let me know what you guys want me to make next so that I can continue bringing you guys great content and videos that you actually are interested in. I hope these videos are helping you guys. And if you want, next time I'll show you how you can make an in-screen card using your phone for free and then adding it into your video editor. If you want that video, go down below and leave a comment, all right? But without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you have a good one. Peace.